Hello friends, and welcome back to Tula's Toy Box. I have another National Geographic Kids book to read to you today. This one is called Chicken and Egg. So we will be learning all about chicken and eggs today. Are you ready to begin? Me too. Okay. On this first page, we have a whole bunch of chickens. Do you see the chickens? And chickens say cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens live on farms. And if you see this building back here, this is where all of the chickens stay. It's like their little home when they go in at night. And she is the farmer, and she is out there taking care of all of the chickens. A male chicken is a rooster, that's this one right here. And a female chicken is called a hen, and this is a hen. The hen lays some eggs. Can you see her eggs? That's right, they are underneath her, and she sits and keeps her eggs warm. This is the outside of an egg. So this is the shell, and this egg is brown on the outside. But depending on what kind of a chicken lays the egg, will tell what color the egg will be. So there are brown eggs like this one. There are blue eggs, pink eggs, and green eggs, as well as white eggs. This is the inside of an egg. A baby chick is growing. Can you see the baby chick? There is the chick's eye, the beak, there's a little wing, and here are its legs. That's pretty neat, isn't it? At last, it's time for the chick to come out. Do you see what's happening? That's right, the egg is cracking. So I wonder how that's happening. Do you know? That's right, the chick uses its beak to break the shell from the inside, and it chips away at the shell until he can come out like this. Yay, a little chick has hatched. Isn't he cute? Look. And he still has part of his shell on his head. That's so funny. Chicks are cute, aren't they? They're just so fluffy and soft. Look at this chick eat. Do you know that chickens scratch in the ground and use their beaks to find bugs? And that's what chickens eat. Look at the chick walk. He looks kind of funny, huh? He's got one little leg up there and he's gonna walk. The chick makes sounds. Do you know what a chick says? That's right, they say peep, 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 peep. Or you can also say cheep, 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 cheep. They're just so darling, especially when they cheep. A chick will grow up, so he will go from that cute little yellow fluff ball we saw and grow to this size, and his feathers start to change. And then she'll grow to this size, or she's even bigger. And finally, she'll grow up to be a hen. Cluck, cluck, cluck. This is a red hen. The hen lays some eggs. See, she's sitting on her eggs, and she's a red hen, and she lays, it looks like, brown eggs. All right. Did you know that chickens are the world's most common bird? There are roughly 25 billion chickens, and they live in nearly every country on the earth. Mostly chickens live on farms. Chickens are many different colors. They may be white or yellow, or even blue, green, or gold. Female chickens, called hens, lay eggs. Hens usually lay one egg each day. Hens sit on their eggs to keep them warm. Unfertilized eggs do not have a chick inside. These are the eggs that we eat. Fertilized eggs do have a chick inside. It takes about 3 weeks for an egg to hatch, and out pops a baby chick. At first, the hen helps the chick find food. After about 6 months, the chick will have lost all of its fluffy down, which are the fluffy little feathers on it, and will have feathers instead. And it is now a full-grown chicken. I hope you enjoyed learning about chickens and eggs with me today. I really like eggs, and I think these little chicks are so cute. And even when they grow up, the chickens are cute. Well, I'm glad you joined me today. Please subscribe and like this video, and come explore more with me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.